Hello, in front of me I've got iPad Air 5th generation. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Display and Brightness. From this menu you can change between light and dark mode, enable automatic dark mode, and change between sunset to sunrise or custom schedule. Next, you can manually change brightness level, enable or disable True Tone, night shift, auto lock between 2 minutes and never. You can change text size and enable or disable bold text. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.